Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always said, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends. Okay, and friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJEE1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called the sleeping technique. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called the thank you technique. This topic, friends. Okay. Friends, this is 65 number video, 65th number video, and the name of the topic is the thank you technique. This is the name of the technique. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. In the Bible, Paul recommends that we make known our request with praise and thanksgiving. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling that in Bible, Paul recommends that we make known the request of our praise and also the thanksgiving, friends. Okay, some extraordinary results follow this simple method of prayer. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling by doing that, some extraordinary effort make this simple method of the prayer, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. The thankful heart is always close to the creative force of the universe. So, here author Joseph Murphy is telling the thankful heart is always to the close of the creative force of the universe, friends. Okay, causing countless blessing to flow toward it by the law of reciprocal relationship. So, by causing the countless blessing flow toward it, because countless blessing keeps on flowing towards us if we follow the reciprocal law of the relationship, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic based on a cosmic law of action and reaction. So it is based on the cosmic law of the action and reaction, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. For instance, a father promises his son a car for graduation. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling, for instance, a father promises his son a car for the graduation. The boy has not yet received the card. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that the boy has not yet received the card. He is trying to make us understand by a example, friends. Okay, but he is very thankful and happy and is as joyous as true he had actually received the car. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that child is happy that he have actually received this car. Okay, so exactly what is his example, friends? You know, this example is a father promised his child that I will, if you graduate, I will give you a car. So the child is very happy and he is celebrating that he have already got a car, friends. Okay, so this is actually the example, friends. Okay, he knows his father will fulfill his promise. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that child knows that his father is going to fulfill his promise. And he is full of gratitude and joy, even though he has not received the car. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling, even though that child have not received the car, the child is full on happy, right? Objective speaking, he has, however, received it and the joy and thankfulness in his mind. So, here the objective is that he have already received the car and he is already happy and he is in a thankfulness in his mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I shall illustrate how Mr. Broke applied this technique with excellent results. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling now he is going to give us an example how Mr. Broke applied this technique and he got the excellent result, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, here author Joseph Murphy is telling Mr. Broke have applied and he also have got excellent results. So let us see what was the technique of Mr. Broke and how he applied, friends. Okay, he said bills are piling up. So Mr. Broke said that bills are piling up. I am out of work. So even he said that I am out of work. I have three children and no money what shall I do? So he said, I have three children and no money. What shall I do? Regularly every night and morning for a period about 3 weeks. So he said this regular morning and evening, morning and every night for the periods of 3 weeks. He repeated the word. So, author Joseph Murphy is telling he always repeated the word. Thank you, Father, for my wealth in a relaxed, peaceful manner until the feeling or mood of thankfulness dominated his mind. So, he used to tell that thank you, my father, for all the wealth and thankfulness that dominated in his mind, friends. Okay, manner till thankfulness which dominated in his mind. So he used to every day tell thank you. He imagined he was addressing the infinite power and intelligence within him, knowing, of course. So, he was imagining that he is addressing the infinite power and which is present in himself, knowing, of course, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic that he could not see the creative intelligence or infinite mind. So that he could not see the creative intelligence and also the infinite mind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, he was seeing with the inner eye of spiritual perception. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that he was seeing with the inner eye of the spiritual perception. He was seeing with the inner eye with the spiritual perception, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, realizing that his thought image of wealth was the first cause. So, by imagining that his thought image and the wealth was his first cause, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic relative to the money, position, and the food he needed. So, by relative to the money, position, and food which he needed, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, his thought feeling was the substance of wealth untrailed by antecedent condition of any kind. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling his thought feeling was the substance wealth of the untilemmed of the antecedent condition of any kind, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic by repeating thank you, Father, over and over again. So, by repeating this word thank you, Father, over and over again, so let us see what happens. His mind and heart were lifted up to the point of acceptance. So there was a point when came in his life when his mind and heart were repeatedly lifted from the point of the acceptance. And when fear, thought of lack, poverty, and distress came into his mind, so when the fear, thought, and the lack of poverty came into his mind, he would say, "Thank you, Father," as often as necessary. So at that point of time, he also say, "Thank you, Father," as often it was necessary, friends. Okay, he knew that as he kept up that thankful attitude, he would recondition his mind to the idea of wealth, which is what happened. So as he knew that whenever the idea of poverty came into mind, so he would recondition his mind by wealth idea and whatever it happened, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, the sequel to his prayer is very interesting after praying in the above mentioned manner. So the sequel of this prayer is very interesting, which he prayed in the above mentioned manner, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, he met a former employer of his on the street whom he had not seen for 20 years. So he, author Joseph Murphy is telling, he met a former employee of his company whom he have not seen for the period of 20 years. The man offered him a very lucrative position and advanced him $500 on a temporary loan. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that man offered him a lucrative position and offered him $500 on a temporary loan, friends. Okay. Today, Mr. Broke is the vice president of the company of which he works. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling today Mr. Broke is the vice president of the company which he works, friends. Okay. His recent remark to me was, I shall never forget the wonders of thank you, Father. So he used to tell the recent remark of him that I would never forget the miracle wonders of the word thank you, Father. It has worked wonder for me. So he author Joseph Murphy is telling that it have worked wonder for me, friends. Okay. this Joseph, author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So friends, in our today's topic, I have covered the concept called the thank you technique. This topic, friends, okay. And friends, in our next video, I am going to cover the concept called the affirmative method. This topic, friends, okay. The affirmative method. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.